Cleantek design and supply centralized vacuum cleaners suitable for hotels, individual house, factories, etc. Multipoint centralized vacuum cleaners occupies less space and easy to use. Only suction points are provided to each room or place. All suction points are connected by piping to the centralized suction producer, cum filter unit. All dust and debris are collected in one place. Centralized vacuum cleaner suitable for continuous running and heavy-duty cleaning applications. Cleantek manufacturing custom-made industrial centralized vacuum systems, centralized vacuum cleaners, centralized dust collectors for all kind of dust collection use. Cleantek manufacturing portable industrial vacuum cleaners, dust collectors, air blowers, welding fume extraction system, soldering fume extraction system, etc. Subscribe our Cleantek channel for updated videos. Thank you.